Hello there, friends. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Tuozaafi is my favorite Ghanaian street dish. Now in today's video, I share with you how I make my Tuozaafi Ayoyo Soup, especially if you live outside Ghana and you can't get hold of the fresh ayoyo leaves. I started with a pot of water on, I allowed it to boil, and then I added in my dried herring, my chopped onion, locust bean or Dawadawa. I also added in green habanero pepper, which is optional, dried herring powder, maggi cube, my stockfish or momoni, which is also optional, but I recommend you add it. And then I allow the soup to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll be adding okra to the ayoyo soup because we are not able to get hold of the fresh ayoyo leaves. So I'll blend my okra until it is very smooth and then we'll set it on the side for now. 15 minutes later, I'll add in about a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. 2 minutes later, I'll add in my blended okra and then I'll give it a gentle stir. I'll allow it to cook for about 5 minutes, but I'll be stirring from time to time. Like I said, we are not able to get hold of fresh ayoyo leaves, so I'll be using the ground jute leaves, which is also called ayoyo leaves. And this was frozen, so I thawed it and then I'll be adding it directly into the soup. This type is already cooked anyway, so you don't have to cook it before adding it to the soup. Once the jute leaves goes into the soup, I'll allow it to cook for about 5 minutes and then I'll remove it from flame. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. God bless you. And friends, the ayoyo soup is ready to be served. Look at how green and delicious it looks. I already have a video of my Tuozaafi stew on my channel and I'll leave a link to it in my description box. We'll be serving this with Tuozaafi and I also have that recipe coming very soon. Please kindly share this video with your friends and your community. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. You're all invited to eat with me. Thank you so much for staying with me. Have a good one. Bye, guys.